Let's see how they do on their first. Oh, look it. Some of them know what they're doing.
Some of them haven't seen it yet.
Oh, they'll be walking in it. Well, they all want that one spot right there. That one's going to crawl over the top. Somebody just got edged out.
Here, get out. Get out. Here you go, Boji. Look.
Look, and there's that whole other side over there. Who's the one on the outside here that's not in there? Who is that?
That's Junior.
Junior?
There's Junior.
There's the whole other side.
We'll bring Junior over here. Get your back feet out of there.
Oh. It's so funny they can't eat like right in front of them. That one has to go all the way over to the other side. Butchie goes, "What are you guys doing?" Come on, Butch. He's just going, "I'm just going to lick it off their backs." Oh, look at Jade. She's using the dogs. She's using the dogs for a bridge. So she doesn't get her feet wet. That is funny. Oh, Boji's licking it off the backs. Oh, look at Zerk standing in it. You know what?
I hear a lot of grunting.
There is a lot of grunting. Topaz, it sounds like you're in there.
Topaz would like to be in here.
I'll clean up the rest. The milk's always better on the other side.
On the back side.
Yeah.
God, you guys, little piranhas.
Little piranhas. I know they don't need you, honey. I'm sorry. Did you want some of that? Okay, their first feeding.